Since birth, these two have been after each other. Climber was in Mommy's hospital for 2 days, really 24 hours, and he's doing much better now. And Journey is always on his own, doing everything by himself. But today they're here waiting for me. Hi, TJ. Hi. What you got on your leg there, Macho Man? You got the filthies. Both of you got the filthies. You got the hitchhikers on ya. So cute. Always wrestling. Since you were born, you guys were beating each other in the head. So cute. So cute. Look at Journey all comfy. Look at Mama Eb and Mama Stitches and Mama Patches and Bear. Everybody chilling, having a nice morning. Everything is great this morning, right, everybody? Get this out the way. I don't want to scare you. That's why I moved that dumb bag. Bear likes to sit under Mommy's chair. That's how Bear does it. And TJ likes to sit by Mommy's feet. Climber is doing such a great job. Mommy saved Climber. Climber's a good boy. He deserves to be saved. Right, Climber? You're a very good boy. Climber not have ticks anymore. You guys have hitchhikers on you. Now you're after Journey. You never stop, Macho Man. That's why your name is Macho Man. All you do is wrestle. Wrestle, wrestle, wrestle. Since you were born. Wrestle, wrestle, wrestle. That's what Macho Man does. That's why he's named Macho Man. Hi, Patches. You're so pretty. Patches is so pretty. You're so pretty. Patches does a great job. Yes, I fixed your Climber up so nicely. Climber's not sick anymore. Mommy fixed Climber so nicely. Yay. Macho Man gonna get your belly and everything. Oh my goodness, Journey. Bear's got my foot. I know what it's like. Climber's doing a great job. Climber's not sick anymore. He's gonna be climbing mountains again very, very soon. So cute. Biting each other's bellies and ears. You guys love to fight. Look at Mama Patch, just so relaxed. Everybody's so relaxed. Having a great time. Macho Man gonna bite your butt. He not stop. He never stops. Never, never stops. Till he falls asleep in place. Where you going, TJ? Where you going? You gonna go clean your beauty hole? No? We just sit it down. Okay. Climber, what a good boy. Oh, there's Journey and Macho Man. Space Ghost, there you are. There's Space Ghost. Handsome, handsome. Be nice to TJ. You be nice to TJ now, okay? Macho Man gonna get Journey. Oh, Journey gonna get Macho Man. Hi, Mama Chinny. It's one of Mama Chinny's nice babies. So beautiful. So beautiful, Mama Chinny. They're about 2 months old. Mama Chinny's babies. That's a big one. She's almost as big as Mama Lubby. Very nice. One orange here and one dark. That is so cute. I love it, Mama Chinny. Mama Chinny got the new babies. That's a great job, Mama Chinny. Great job. Your Mama Stitches has beautiful white babies, too. Mama Stitches, are you going to bring your nice babies next time? Can I have them here next time? A little more? Because I not got to see them again. It's been a long time. I cleaned out your fort. I cleaned your fort out. Now what, Macho Man? Now who are you gonna wrestle? Climber! Caramel! Hi, Caramel. Look how healthy Climber is. Doing a great job. Bear, don't be too rough now. They're little babies. We have to be careful. Be careful, Bear. Bear, be careful. Bear, don't be too rough with that baby. Bear, that's too much. Bear, you want me to get you? You want me to get you like that, Bear? Yeah, leave Climber alone. He's a sick boy. He's just getting better. He's not a sick boy anymore, but give him some time to adjust. Is Bear too rough, Climber? We tell Bear, no, Bear. See, Climber needs a rest. He's a sleepy boy. Him and Caramel. Two-Faced Caramel and Chocolate is going to be bigger than you, Bear. So I suggest you chill. Their mama's bigger than you. That means they're going to be big because they're big babies. Mama Patch's babies are nice and healthy, and they're at least a week older than Mama Ev's babies, and all of Mama Ev's babies are big. They each got two nipples to eat each every meal, and she fed them well. Yes, she did. There's Mama Ev. And Mama Ev is so nice to the other babies when the other mama doesn't want to be nice. That's why Climber loves Mama Ev. Mama Ev does a great job. There's Mama Patches. Time for Milky's, Mama Patches. Time for Milky's, Patches. Patches cleans her nice babies. Patches does a great job. Climber loves you. Yay, Patches loves Climber too. Mommy saved Climber. Mommy did a really great job. Everybody does a great job. Hi, Mama Chinny. You have a beautiful baby. A very beautiful baby, but I don't know the name yet. I've not got to spend time with them yet. Are you going to bring them over more next time? Okay. Oh, Mama Ev takes extra special care of Climber. What a good job, Mama Ev. You do a great job. Mama Ev get extra attention to Climber because Climber was so sick. Right, Mama Ev? You're a great job, Mama Ev. You're a really great job. Aw, Mama Patches take care of TJ. That's Tongue Jr., TJ. Everybody gets their baths. Everybody gets their baths in the morning. Great job. All the mamas doing nice jobs. Even the stepmamas filling in. There's these nice babies, Mama Stitches. I cleaned your fort out. You could bring these nice babies there. You can do it. It's a great job. Oh, Macho Man wants to wrestle again. Surprise, surprise. So funny. Oh, look at Journey. Climber want to play with Journey. Mama Ev does a great job. Thank you, Mama Ev. Thank you. Journey wants to play with you, Climber.